demoing this lovely Abarth 595. We've had the pleasure today of doing the StarLine S96. The S96 is pretty much StarLine's premium package in the UK. It's about the best alarm system available out there. You have so much protection on this vehicle. It's got full controllable phone app, remote lock and unlock anywhere in the world, live tracking, GSM, GPS. Just want to show you the app for this StarLine S96. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm just doing a video here on the screen, so you can see you've got the status of the car, it's disarmed. You've got the live tracking map down below, so you can see where it is. And if you click on the map, it takes you to where it is. You've also got some history. Just go back to the main screen. So I just want to show you the unlock and lock features. Works anywhere in the world. So the green button on the left, if I just try and press that now, hold it down a couple of seconds, the car will then arm and lock. That's it, car's now armed and locked. And then you can see the bubble going across the car, that's telling you that the vehicle's in the armed state. And if we just hold it again, it will disarm and unlock the car. That's it, just disarmed, unlock the car. That's it. This is the new app. It's absolutely gorgeous. Got lots of features. You've got valet mode from the screen. You've got full control, all the settings and features, all selectable. Got lots of information on there. History. You get a driving score. Eventually, once you've been driving for a little while, and you get all the settings. And that is the StarLine app. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has standard anti-hijack, driver ID tags, motion sensors, shock sensors. We've added in proximity with warn away, selectable, so if you don't want it armed on a busy high street, then it's not going to go off annoying everybody. It's got validation, LED button up here, also acts as a visual deterrent of a blue flashing LED. You can't get no better. It's got all the bells and whistles. So I'll just show you a few little features. So if you single lock it, just press the lock button once. It's fully protected and armed, but it's got no warn away, so if you walk up to it, you don't get no warn away at all. If you lock it for a second time, it now adds the warn away feature. What we've done is we've done it on the dual lock. So this is great, selectable. If you're parked in a busy high street, you don't want the proximity sensors on there. It's going to keep going off. But on your drive of a night time, you want the full package protection, so you add in the warn away. And then now if you go and try and look through the window, you'll get warn away going off. So you get warn away on any of the windows. You could try and look in the back window even, and then any of the front windows. Gives you a nice warn away, tells people to back off, arm protected. So, and then we have likes of a shock sensor, and if you try and give it a bang, pull the handles, goes off as well. Any harder than that, you're going to get a full-blown alarm system, and it's going to ring your phone. But that is a couple of shock sensors. Just give it one more, and now it's gone off. Yeah, don't want to hit it too hard, but gives you the idea. It's fully protected. Anyone comes up, tries to get into the car, it all works around the Bluetooth tag, so the vehicle will not disarm. You can't start the car without that tag present, and this car's now fully protected. Any more info, visit www.starlinesoutheast.com or give us a call. Thank you.